Hello everyone, this is your HST Machinery channel, where machines, smart tools, and human skills blend into a perfect symphony. In just a few seconds, the whole skyscraper folds into itself, exactly as the demolition team planned. It looks like a simple arm, but each joint is precisely controlled to the millimeter. Every time the machine runs, dozens of products are completed, without any manual operation. So what can the workers do? Doors and trunk lids are lifted, aligned, and mounted with millimeter precision. You and I will probably have to wait all day for this iron bar to be crushed. Every line on the crown, shirt, and sleeves is CNC machined so precisely that it is difficult to distinguish from handcraft. Every move is automatically balanced, even when the robot is carrying a bunch of boxes on its chest. They are testing these robotic arms in an industrial plant. No more pushing heavy carts. Now the whole warehouse moves instead of the workers. Just move your hand lightly, the machine will do the rest. Pull, twist, and shape continuously. These robotic arms have been a great help to workers, but will it affect the quality of the railway tracks? This is a canning beast, 120 cans per minute, folding, sealing, gluing in one pass. So fast, so smooth, it takes factory efficiency to a whole new level. You are watching the next generation of car production lines. Robots take over the entire frame welding process, completing it in just 30 seconds. Fast, stable, and almost error-free. This is an automatic brick stacking system. The mechanical arm works non-stop, stacking bricks in perfect layers, increasing the speed of palletizing many times. This is an automatic egg picking and packing system. Quality scanning sensors, sorting conveyors, and robots place eggs into trays smoothly, without a single wasted beat. The solar panel production line operates seamlessly. Each panel is completed smoothly as programmed, ready to harness the power of the sun. At first glance, it looks like a swarm of robotic spiders, but this is a car body welding workshop, where dozens of KUKA robot arms simultaneously attack a steel frame. This is the backstage of automation. Before robots and machines enter other people's factories, they also have to come out of assembly lines like this one. Each injection cycle takes only a few seconds. Hot plastic is injected into the mold, cooled. The mold is opened. The robot picks up the part, then closes the mold to run the next batch. Automatic machine for bending, cutting, and welding wire into uniform links, serving durable jewelry and industrial chains. The asphalt spraying truck sprays a layer of hot bitumen, evenly covering the road surface to create adhesion before laying the asphalt. This is a scene of work by mechanical experts. We advise you not to attempt this in any form. Crushing single rocks using just one sorting and simple crushing conveyor, our work only requires a push of a button. The hydraulic crusher devours each metal can that has been depressurized. Its crushing teeth crush the body into scrap pieces, preparing for the separation and recycling process. The Balbun machine operates continuously. The extruder forms the purple dough skin, and the twisting head folds the edges. The metering pump fills the filling in the center. The CNC cutting knife is engraving shapes on the EVA/foam sheet. The cross laser is aligning the position. The cut is clean, with no melting, preparing to produce precise gasket pieces. Asphalt milling machine cuts the road surface. Conveyor belt loads onto the dump truck, preparing a new, smoother layer. Behind strength can be as precise as a painting created with a steel brush. Lifting, cutting, joining, aligning every millimeter, turning the construction site into a canvas of discipline. With just a simple action, the worker can easily separate the rubber tire from the car rim. can't even believe what I'm seeing. The way this machine processes wood is truly perfect. I wish my family had a potato peeler like this. Look at how this machine operates. It doesn't make a single mistake. 55. Quick release clamps on the press brake lock the punch in place, aligned and ready to bend sheet metal with high force and precision. A crane with an electromagnet sweeps the scrapyard, lifting anything made of steel. Fast, tidy, and safe. This is the hidden backstage of the dolls kids play with every day. Each detail aligned down to the millimeter. Instead of slicing piece by piece, this little unit can handle a whole basket of veggies in minutes. Instead of attaching each bead by hand, this machine attaches hundreds of beads in just a few minutes. High-pressure air inflates the material from the inside, forcing it to hug the mold with precision. Simple but effective. Fill the mold, spread the concrete, pull the handle down, and you get clean, solid blocks. This punch creates enough tremendous pressure to shape the entire shaft in one stroke. That seemingly simple hit actually defines the accuracy and strength of the entire bearing ring. Instead of workers twisting each can by hand, this foam roller does it all. Faster, smoother, and without scratching the surface. The sound of wood turning, the sound of knives eating the workpiece, and the smell of sawdust all combine to create an extremely relaxing processing scene.